find with children with disability because you know what? All the children doesn't have the same disability. Our children got different disability, but then same CP, but different. Because the challenges that I get with Dante is that's getting heavier and heavier, is getting bigger. So his chair is also gonna get, one of these days, gonna get smaller. To push Dante, I'm getting older, I can't.
Environments not built for inclusivity. For the parent, it's an ongoing fight for
From
access.
bed to the dining room, from the dining room to bed, that is challenging. It's not a community that's like, they have a problem with disability because by now they know Dante, they know all the children in the area where I stay, they've got disability. So yeah, by school, because Dante is quiet, Dante is tired, very tired when he comes from school. So I'm happy. And there's changes in his behavior also. He's more quiet, he eats, and he will eat. When he did eat at school, or he did eat something at school, he won't eat. But if there's a time when he didn't eat, like, then he will eat and he will drink. But I'm happy with the school so far. And yeah.
Behind Disability series.